going on, everyone? Today we are going to Mount Cordeaux.
Hey, what's up?
This is Steven. He is the leader today. He will lead us and guide us to the top of the mountain safely.
Yeah, like we're gonna get there somehow.
Yeah.
We'll just walk it.
Yeah. Did I pronounce that name right? Mount Cordeaux?
I don't know. It's Cordeaux.
Yeah, I saw someone pronounce it Cordeaux. I'm like, Cordeaux? What the fuck? Alright, so a little bit of miscommunication. I haven't told everyone else to meet us here at 8:30. That's my bad.
Yeah.
Hey mate, how you going?
Good. You're not bringing me a lunch, man? I need to grab something anyways. Yeah. I just get some like a sandwich from the petrol station on the way, I guess. Probably easier.
Yeah, I don't care. I made a sandwich.
You didn't bring anything in?
No, I need to bring something else.
No,
You think I'll bring like a protein shake or something? Are you hiking in just pants?
Me?
Yeah. You don't want to wear pants.
Just shorts. I'm cold.
Yeah, that's what I mean. You gotta fucking freeze there, bro.
You got a jacket there? Yeah, I got a
You look very unprepared, Caleb. What, you just a hoodie and a...
Why not? Going to another country, bro, it's fine.
Later that day. Really fucking cold. Are you okay, mate?
Congratulations, you played yourself.
What the heck, man?
How fast the clouds are moving. Everything on the left side of the...
Hey Caleb, bro, how cold is it? How cold is it?
It's really rough.
I think we're going here, but then you can keep going up here.
Which one's that one then?
Yeah. After a quick look at the map, we began our arduous journey. Shooting on the Hero 9, and it's already said SD card error.
Pretty sure. Yeah, I saw them take that way, so...
As you can tell, my friends are expert navigators.
Bullshit.
Kieran, you look like you're on a secret mission, mate. Well, you got your glasses on and your suit, just chilling.
That's what I'm saying. Like he's like fashion.
He's
Gotta look good while you're hiking, man.
wants to look good for the girls that are not here.
Exactly.
Did this tree fall down or they cut it? They should just leave it. Low light stability test. It's a pretty nice hike, except for the mud, so if you come here when it's dry, you'll be right. You gonna post that somewhere, Kieran? Insta, what are you gonna caption it?
Greenery.
Greenery?
Hiking. Hashtag hiking. I got full fucking Aussie castles. How's Serenity?
Oh, fuck. Here you go, mate. How are you?
Hi there.
Okay. Yeah. This is the type of shit you see on video games.
What?
This is the type of scenery you see on video games. No need to play when you got this in real life. Spectacular, look at that. Is this the right way? Oh, this is just a lookout.
Corner here. We'll park it out here.
It's cold, fellas. Body warmth is how you get warm.
Everything looks the same.
Yeah, that's cool. I'll send you this footage. The Serenity, bro.
Don't do gay shit, man. Unless you want to think you'll do that with gay shit.
Are you, Stephen? What are you doing? Are you doing a thing? You're doing a thing right now? Oh shit! Oh. My hat blew off. Honestly, I don't think I need it, so I might just chuck it in my bag. Should I try that? I don't know, I can't tell. It was only like 2 drops. Oh, just water everywhere.
I think this is where the second pack is.
Wow. This is epic. This is what I want to see. Good, mate. How are you? When we got to the top, we were greeted by a spectacular view. That's deep, man. Those clouds are moving fast too. Made it to the top. Plenty of people up here. Horizon leveling comes very handy in this situation. Not overly populated either. This little secret area that no one is at. Yeah, right there. Yeah, that's good, man. Let's go. So then we continue to the final checkpoint. Bro, I just counted like my 360 camera and my 2 GoPros, and I was like, man, that's almost $2 grand. Like, what the fuck? Oh, snap. That's a bloody look.
I bought a slider. You know a slider?
Yeah.
I got a motor for it.
Expensive as hell.
Honestly, it looks like a scene out of Jurassic Park. Very difficult lighting conditions. It's dark, but sunlight is coming in. I've got everything locked in, nothing really on auto except for ISO, but I've limited the maximum to 800. So this part here gets really muddy. It was a lot worse back there. We just passed it, but holy cow. I'll show you what my shoes look like. Yeah. 680 meters, that's not that far.
What was it before? 2.8. Oh, it's not 8. It's only 12 minutes.
Yeah, man, we got it. It is extra windy today, it's usually not this windy. Is this it? That's wind.
My hands are moving really.
Holy cow! That wind is like straight at us. Proper wind test. Look, look, look. Whoa! I don't think I've ever experienced wind this hard. I don't think I've experienced wind this bad. Except for that one time. And there was a cyclone. But I wasn't outside during the cyclone. I was inside, so I didn't feel it like this. Okay. Woo! Holy cow. There's people there, so I'll go here. Just a tad, eh?
Oh, I need a picture. But I don't know if I can take my jacket off or not.
Holy cow, it is so cold. It's time to eat.
It's sick.
It is sick. How numb are your hands, Caleb?
Bro, it's like they're on like 2 miles per hour. Like I can barely.
Okay. Lunchtime, guys. Got a sandwich. Everyone else has got sandwiches, except for Kieran.
In front of you?
Nah. Kieran's got mandarins. If you sit at a certain side, when you get up here, there's less wind. So let me show you. There's a few people here. I think a whole trekking group just rocked up. Just testing the CPL filter as well. Does it do anything? Oh, there you go. You gotta get the sun at a certain angle. Makes the sky more blue. How cool.
Really fucking cool.
Are you okay, mate? Honestly, when you get up there, the wind will knock you off balance. So just watch yourself. Come on, man. You gotta admit that looks pretty epic. Should bottle it up, like sell it. That wind is crazy. Yeah. I use a different camera. That's alright. It's not that much longer. Yanni reporting on the news. It seems like a tree has fallen onto a car. No bueno. Holy cow, that's bad. That is bad. Give you $5 if any of you can name that car. The red one. $5 if you can name that red car.
Toyota Prius 2020.
Fucking Hyundai. Something.
Toyota Yaris GR. 3-litre turbo. Fucking.
Fuck.
I shit you not, that flies off the line.
On a Yaris. Alright, message of the day for you guys.
Right?
Today, don't be a bitch.
Okay.
No being bitches allowed.
Okay.
Someone tells you to do something, you fucking do it.
Okay.
You tell yourself to do something, you fucking do it. Don't be a bitch.
Okay.
How's that sound?